Unicorn ice cream cookie sandwich. Let's check all the ingredients we need. 200 grams flour, 10 grams salt, 50 grams sugar, 20 grams baking soda, some ice cream, rainbow sprinkles, 200 grams butter, 10 grams vanilla extract, 2 large eggs. First, add 200 grams butter into the bowl.
Lovely!
Yummy! Great! I know what I want. Melt the butter with the microwave oven. Well done. Then simply pour the melted butter into the mixing bowl. Oh yeah! Next, add some flour. Aha! And 1 teaspoon baking soda. Delicious! A little bit of sugar. Sweet! Add some salt. Delicious! Then add 2 large eggs into the bowl. Great choice! Finally, we need 2 drops of vanilla extract. Wow, so nice! Then choose your favorite colors. To speed up cooking time, try automatic food blender. Keep stirring. Be careful, don't spill it out. Good job! Simply spoon the cookie mixture into the press. Yummy! YOLO! Don't forget the lid. Beautiful! Good! Aha! Nice! I know what I want. Let's bake the cookie for 30 minutes. Well done. It smells so good. Here comes yummy ice cream. Cut the ice cream into small pieces. Sweet! Now add the ice cream on the cookie. Aha! Then add a piece of cookie on the ice cream. Choose the one you like. Delicious! Spread the sprinkles evenly on the ice cream layer. Good job! Time to decorate. Choose whatever you like to decorate your food.